Hello students, today we are going to solve 10th standard algebra, second chapter quadratic equations. In that, practice set 2.4. Okay, first one is compare the given quadratic equations to the general form and write the values of a, b, c. Okay, first one is x square minus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. Therefore, comparing with our standard formula, now write comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore, a is 1, b is minus 7, c is 5. Okay. Second one is 2m square equal to 5m minus 5. It is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. No, it's not in the standard form. So write in the standard form. Therefore, 2m square, this is equal sign, bring it to the left hand side. So minus 5m. This is plus 5 becomes, minus 5 becomes plus 5 equal to 0. Now it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So therefore, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore, a is 2, b is minus 5, c is 5. Okay. See, this is standard formula. You can write in this way also. Take this variable is m, no? So we can write am square plus bm plus c equal to 0. In this way also you can write, then write a equal to 2, b is minus 5, c is plus 5. Okay. Third one is y square equal to 7m. Therefore, it is not in the standard form. So write in the standard form y square, bring 7y to this left hand side, becomes 7y, and that constant term is not there. You have to take 0 equal to 0. Now comparing with ax square or ay square, that is bx means by plus c equal to 0. Therefore, a is 1, b is minus 7 and c is 0. Okay. Second one is solve using formula. First one is x square plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. Now comparing with now we have to write comparing with the standard formula, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now write the values. A is 1, b is 6 and c is 5. Okay. Therefore formula is minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is using solving quadratic equation by using formula. Okay. First we have solved many problems by factorization method, and in 2.3 for practice at 2.3 we have solved many quadratic equation by completing square method. No, here we have to solve this quadratic equation by using formula. Okay. So therefore x equal to minus b is minus is here 6 plus or minus square root of b square is 6 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 1, c is 5 divided by 2a, 2 multiplied by a is 1. Therefore x is minus 6 plus or minus, here 6 6 is 36 minus 4 5 is 20. 20 multiplied by 1 is 20 divide by 2. This 2 ones are 2. Therefore x is minus 6 plus or minus 36 minus 20, 16, square root of 16 divided by 2. Okay, therefore x is minus 6 plus or minus 16 is 4 4 is 16, no, divided by 2. Okay, so therefore x equal to 1 is minus 6 plus 4 by 2, or x is minus 6 minus 4 by 2. Okay, therefore x is 1 is minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2 by 2, or x is, here equal sign, x is minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10 by 2. Therefore x is minus 1 or x is minus 5. 2 ones are 2 5s are. So x is minus 1 or minus 5. Therefore the roots of the quadratic equation is, one is minus 1 and minus 5. Okay, roots are minus 1 and minus 5. Okay, second one is x square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where therefore a is 1, b is minus 3, c is minus 2. Okay, therefore x is minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula by to solve the given quadratic equation in formula method. Okay, so therefore now substitute the values. X is equal to minus b minus, here minus 3, minus of minus 3. Okay, minus, this minus is from the formula, and this minus is, this is minus 3. Okay, so plus or minus b square is minus 3 square. Okay, minus 4 multiplied by a is 1 multiplied by c is minus 2 divided by 2a, 2 multiplied by a is 1. Therefore x is minus of minus 3 means what? Plus 3, no? 3 plus or minus square root of 3 3 is a 9, minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 is plus 9, minus here one minus, here one minus, plus 4 2 is a 8, 8 1 is a 8, so plus 8. Okay, divided by 2 1 is a 2. Therefore x is 3 plus or minus 9 plus 8, 8, 8, 16, 17, root 17 divided by 2. Okay, now therefore x is one value is 3 plus root 17 by 2, or another one is x equal to 3 minus root 17 by 2. Okay, therefore the roots of the given quadratic equation is one is 3 plus root 17 by 2 and 3 minus root 17 by 2. These are the two roots. So these are the two roots of the given quadratic equation. One is 3 plus root 17 by 2 and another one is 3 minus root 17 by 2. Third one is 3m square plus 2m minus 7 equal to 0. Therefore, comparing with am square plus 2m plus c equal to 0. Therefore, a is 3, b is 2, c is minus 7. Therefore m is minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. That is, minus b is minus 2 plus or minus b square is 2 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 3 multiplied by c is minus 7 divided by 2 multiplied by a is 3. Therefore minus 2 plus or minus, here 2 2s are 4 minus, here one minus, here one minus, so becomes plus. Okay, plus. So 7 4s are 28. No, 28 multiplied by 3, this 3 is 24. 2 3 2s are 6, 7 8, 84. So this is 84 divided by 3 2s are 6. This is m. Okay, m. Therefore m is minus 2 plus or minus, this is become 88 divided by 6. Okay, therefore m is minus 2 plus or minus 82. We can you have to take the, we can simplify it, 22 multiplied by 4, so 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, so that 2 we can keep out. No, so we can do like this, 22 multiplied by 4 divided by 6. Therefore m is minus 2 plus or minus, square root of 4 is 2. Okay, 22 divided by 6. Here therefore m is, keep 2 out, here common 2 is there, so keep 2 out. Therefore here 1 minus 1 remain, here we can keep 2 out. No, so minus 1 plus this 2 has gone out, therefore 22 divided by 6. Here you can simplify 2 ones are 2 3s are. Therefore m is, this one is not necessary, so minus 1 plus root 22 divided by 3. Minus 1 here, plus or minus, no, this is plus or minus, this is also plus or minus. Okay, therefore here one is m is, therefore m is minus 1 plus root 22 by 3, or another one is m is minus 1 minus root 22 by 3. Okay, therefore the roots of the quadratic equations are, one is minus 1 plus root 22 by 3, and another one is minus 1 minus root 22 by 3. One is minus 1 plus root 22 by 3, another one is minus 1 minus root 22 by 3. Okay, so these are the two roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay, fourth one is 5m square minus 4m minus 2 equal to 0. Comparing with standard formula, that is am square plus bm plus c equal to 0. Therefore a is 5, b is minus 4, c is minus 2. Therefore m is minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, therefore m is minus b minus this minus and this minus of minus 4. Okay, plus or minus square root of b square is minus 4 square minus 4 into ac. A is 5, c is minus 2 divided by 2 multiplied by a is 5. So m is minus of minus 4 is plus 4, plus or minus 4 4 is a minus 4 multiplied by minus 4 is 16, minus this minus is plus, become plus. So 4 5 are 20, 20 multiplied by 2 is 40. See, 20 multiplied by 2 is 40. So 40 divided by 5 2 is a 10. Okay, therefore m is 4 plus or minus, this is 40 plus 16 is 6 and 5 56 divided by 10. Here see, therefore m is 4 plus or minus, this 56 we can divide into in this way, so that 2 we can keep out. Okay, so 14 multiplied by 4, how much? 4 4 is 16, 1 4 1 is 1 5 56. So 14 multiplied by 4 divided by 10. Okay, therefore m is 4 plus or minus, here you can keep 2 out, square root of 4 is 2, 14 divided by 10. Therefore m is, now in this 4 and 2 you can keep 2 out. Okay, therefore here it remain 2 plus or minus nothing, 2 ones are gone, it is 14 divided by 10. Now 2 ones are 2 5 times. Therefore m is 2 plus or minus 14 divided by 5. Okay, therefore one is m is 2 plus root 14 divided by 5, or another one is m is 2 minus root 14 divided by 5. Okay, therefore the roots of the two quadratic equations are, therefore the roots of the quadratic equations are, one is 2 plus root 14 divided by 5, and another one is 2 minus root 14 divided by 5. Okay, therefore the roots of the quadratic equations are 2 plus root 14 by 5, another one is 2 minus root 14 by 5. Okay, fifth one is y square plus 1 by 3y equal to 2. So here is a fraction, so we have to multiply both the sides by 3. Okay, so therefore multiplying both the sides by 3. Okay, so therefore multiplying both the sides by 3 means here 3y square plus, here multiplying 3 means this 3 will go, so 1y equal to 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Okay, therefore now write in the standard form, therefore 3y square plus y, this is here equal sign, so bring this 6 to the left hand side, becomes minus 6 equal to 0. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore a is 3, b is 1 and c is minus 6. Therefore formula x is plus minus b, okay, plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, therefore x is minus b is minus 1 plus or minus b square, 1 square is 1, okay, write like that, minus 4 multiplied by a is 3 multiplied by c is minus 6 divided by 2 multiplied by a is 3. Therefore x is minus 1 plus or minus, this is 1 and here minus 1 minus 4 minus 6 is plus, so 4 3s are 12 multiplied by 6, 6 2s are 12, 1, 6 1s are 6, 6 7, 72. 72 divided by this 6 2s are 6. Therefore, x is minus 1 plus or minus, this is root 73 divided by 6 here. So these are the roots. One is minus 1 plus root 73 by 6. Another one is minus 1 minus root 73 by 6. Therefore, x is minus 1. One is plus root 73 by 6, or x is minus 1 minus root 73 by 6. Okay. See, here is a mistake. So our standard formula is ax square plus bx plus c. But here the variable is y. So you have to put in the y. Okay. Now this is all y. Okay. This is all y. Yeah, this is y. Therefore, y is minus 1 plus root 73 by 6. Another y is minus 1 minus root 73. Okay. So here comparing with ax square, so you have to write in the y form, no? Therefore, ay square plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay. In this form you have to, because it's a variable is y, no? Therefore the given the roots of the quadratic equations are, one is minus 1 plus root 73 by 6, and another one is minus 1 minus root 73 by 6. Okay. So these are the two roots of a given quadratic equation. Okay. Now sixth one is 5x square plus 13x plus 8 equal to 0. It is already in the standard form. Okay. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore, a is 5, b is 13, c is 8. Therefore, x, here variable is x. Therefore, plus or minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Therefore, x is minus b is minus 13. Okay. Plus or minus b square is 13 square minus 4 into a is 5, c is 8 divided by 2 multiplied by a is 5. Therefore, x is minus 13 plus or minus 13 13s are 169. Okay. And minus 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. 20 multiplied by 8. 160 divided by 5 to the 10. Therefore, x is minus 13. Okay. Plus or minus here 169 minus 160 is 9 divided by 10. Okay. Therefore, x is minus 13 plus or minus, here it is 3. No, square root of 9 is 3. okay, divided by 10. Therefore x is, one is minus 13 plus 3 by 10, or another one is x is minus 13 minus 3 by 10. Okay, therefore x is minus 13 plus 3 is minus 10 by 10, or x is minus 13 minus 3 is minus 16 by 10. Here it is 2 5s are 2 8s are. Therefore x is, here it is 10 minus 1, or x is minus 8 by 5. Okay, therefore the roots of the quadratic equations are, one is minus 1, and another one is minus 8 by 5. Okay, in practice set 2.4, third question is, okay, with the help of the flow chart given below, solve the given equation x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0 using the formula. Using the formula we have to, here is the chart, compare equation. This is x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0, and ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Find the values of a, b, c in this. Okay, then secondly we have to do find the value of b square minus 4ac. Third, write the formula and solve the given quadratic equation. Last, substitute values of a, b, c, find the roots. Okay, first we'll write the given equation, given quadratic equation, that is x square plus 2 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Now comparing with standard formula, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and find the values of a, b, c. Therefore a is 1, b is 2 root 3, and c is 3. Okay, now find the value of b square minus 4ac. Therefore b square minus 4ac, that is b square is, b is 2 root 3 whole square minus 4 multiplied by a is 1, c is 3. Therefore here it is 2 2s are, square means 2 2s are 4 multiplied by root 3 multiplied by root 3. This is square, no? So 4 3s are 12. Here 4 multiplied by root 3 means what? 3. No? So here it is root 3 multiplied by root 3 is root 3 3s are 9. Root 9 means what? 3 multiplied by 3, see once you have to write 3, no? Root 3 multiplied by root 3 is 1 3, that is minus 12, that is 12 minus 12 is 0. b square minus 4ac is 0. Therefore now write the formula. Therefore write the formula. This is x, variable is x equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. That is, substitute the values now. Here minus b minus 2 root 3, okay, then plus or minus b square minus 4ac, 0, no, square root of 0, divided by 2 multiplied by a is 1. Therefore square root of 0 means what? 0. Therefore 2 root 3 that is minus 2 root 3 divided by this 2. So 2 ones are gone. Therefore minus root 3. X is minus root 3. And this is the root of the given this quadratic equation. Therefore the root of this, therefore the root of the given quadratic equation is minus root 3. Okay, students, now practice set 2.4 is get over. Okay, so solving quadratic equation is, there are 3 methods. No, first one is factorization method, second one is completing square method, and third one is using formula method. So using formula method is very easy. No, the practice at 2.4 is very easy. Use the formula and substitute the values. Very easier one. So what do you think? Which one is the easiest one? Do let me know in the comment section. Okay, and if you have any doubt, do let me know. Okay, then bye.